Midnight Trinity here, and today I'm going to be doing the no mirror challenge. So I'm going to have Anthony collect my mirror so I cannot cheat. Will you take this, darling? And this is what I got for Valentine's Day. That's what Anthony got me. Anyway, if you would like to see that, please stay tuned. I'm not going to do any foundation today since I have been getting really bad breakouts lately. La 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 la. Gonna use the palette my friend got me. I'm not gonna try to do anything too complicated. So let's just take some glitter and stick that right there. So let's now take a highlighting shade. Do the inner part. And next will be the eyeliner, if I can never find it. This is probably gonna look like a 5-year-old did it. Just FYI. So let's next do the contour. should we do next? Let's poke our eyes out and use mascara. Poke the eyes out. If it looks like I'm looking in a mirror, I'm not. I'm staring at my light. And this is highlight. I'm using way too big of a brush. My hair keeps getting in my face. So let's do lips, also from my friend. Let's be a little fun and add some blush, just so I can get the whole clown look, because I'm sure I look like a clown. So, cheekbone, cheekbone. Now I'm gonna grab one of my mirrors from the back of my counter, and let's look. Once again, I look like the bartender from Shrek. I don't know how this turns out every time. I do something crazy, I look like the bartender from Shrek. I mean, my lips don't look too bad, but everything else kind of looks crazy. I don't know what you guys think of this, but if you would like to see more craziness, stay tuned to the end of my video. If you liked that, please subscribe, give a like, give a dislike, interact with me. Tell me what you would like to see in the comments. Anything. You can just chat with me. Check me out on social media. Tell me what you would like to see. Anyway, bye.